The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. Air quality alert in effect through 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for central and south central Minnesota.
Anyways, that was today's weekly test. This was at my dad's work, and all the weather radios at home. I didn't decide to record an audio file for the ones at home because I didn't want to waste any of the battery or storage on my other phones. But anyways, that's basically it for the test. Please stay tuned for more Supercell EAS videos. That's it.